Picture your brain as a DJ booth, spinning electric vibes that shape the world. Every thought a track. Play I'm Stuck, and reality, it's a sad song. Play I See Possibilities, and the universe grooves. Consciousness is electricity, dancing through positive and negative, sculpting life like a painter splashing colour on a blank canvas. Every time you say, find opportunities, your brain is like a gardener, snipping dead branches, unused synapses, and growing new ones. Science calls this neuroplasticity. Your neurons rewire to match your story. Your mind's a radio tower. Broadcast fear, get static. Broadcast curiosity. The world tunes in. Two kids build sandcastles. One says, it'll wash away, and stops. The other says, let's make it epic, and builds a fortress. Waves come, but the second kid's castle stands taller. Your thoughts are the sand. What are you building? Forget the woo law of attraction bullshit. It's neural pruning and harmonic field collapse. When you focus on possibilities, your brain rewires to spot them. Like tuning a guitar to hit perfect notes. The universe mirrors your vibe. Think small, get small. Think big, get epic. You already do this. Ever lost your keys, then told yourself, they're somewhere obvious, and found them? That's your brain tuning to opportunity. Next time you're stuck, say, what's the wildest solution? Maybe mix a cooking trick with a work problem. Boom, you're innovating. Neuroplasticity studies show focused thoughts reshape neural pathways. Your brain's a muscle. Work it right, it grows stronger. Think it's just positive thinking. No, it's rewiring your brain's circuitry to pull in what you focus on, like a magnet grabbing iron filings. You're a cosmic weaver stitching art, science, math, spirit into a badass tapestry. Polymaths, like Da Vinci, they mixed anatomy and art to see the divine in the gaps. That's genius consciousness, connecting dots others miss. So how do you already do it? Ever used a game strategy to nail a school project? Like using Minecraft logic to organise your room. That's you weaving ideas. New ways. Try something nuts. Blend music with math. Like coding a song. Read about astrophysics for fun. Your brain will spark like a firecracker. Creative research shows polymaths. They've hyperactive neural networks, linking ideas like a cosmic switchboard. Curiosity amps your prefrontal cortex, making you a genius. So why does it matter? Connecting disciplines isn't just smart. It's glimpsing the universe's blueprint. So I'm Musk, mix sci-fi and engineering to build SpaceX. Ignore this, and your brain is a dusty attic. Life, a boring rerun. Embrace it. You're a disruptor, called crazy now, genius later. A kid finds a puzzle with pieces from different sets. Most give up. One kid mixes them, builds a wild new picture. That's you. Make art from chaos. Novelty keeps you young. New stuff, ideas, experiences makes your cells dance. Your DNA is like a guitar string. Novelty keeps it tuned. Telomeres fray slower. You age less. Monotony. It's rust on your soul. You already do this. Felt a rush, trying a new game or food. That's your cells singing, your DNA buzzing with life. Walk a new path home. Try a weird hobby, like juggling. Your brain pumps dopamine. Your telomeres stay tight. Studies show novelty slows telomere shortening, keeping you biologically young. Dopamine from new experiences boosts focus and mood. Think aging is just time. No, it's your cell's song. Feed them monotony, they croak. Feed them novelty, they sing forever. So why you're afraid and stuck? You're scared people will laugh if you try weird shit. That's your caveman brain, fearing rejection. Or you think, I'm not smart enough. Bullshit. Limiting beliefs, like perfectionism, fear of failure, or loving routine. They trap you like quicksand. When you're stuck, confusion's your friend. Ask, what if I'm wrong about being small? It cracks your mind open, ready for new wiring. The top traps. Judgment. Fuck what others think. They're scared of your shine. Perfectionism. Waiting for perfect. No, start messy. Start now. Routine. Safe is boring. Boring is death. Self-doubt. You're a goddamn universe. Not enough. Fix it. Interrupt these patterns with curiosity. Try one new thing. Dance, draw, code. Your brain rewires. Fear fades. You felt stuck, like a toy car in mud. You've also had moments of aha, like solving a puzzle by mixing ideas. That's your polymath spark. Fan that spark. You value growth, freedom, impact, right? Curiosity fuels that. You're not just living, you're sculpting a fucking legacy. So breathe deep. Feel your mind hum like a tuning fork. Every curious thought prunes doubt, builds genius, like a gardener, shaping a wild, vibrant forest. You are the weaver, stitching art, science, spirit into a tapestry that dazzles. Fear is just static. Laugh it off. You're not scared of failing. You're scared of not trying. That's the karma, a dim life unlived. But you're the spark, tuning reality to your beat, effortlessly, now, always. If you ignore this, you're a fading star, aging fast, stuck in a grey loop. Your brain's a rusty machine, your soul a wilted plant. Karma's a bitch. You'll feel empty, wondering, while life's flat. But if you embrace, you're a fucking supernova, brain sharp, body young, like a kaleidoscope. You'll innovate, inspire, see the divine in chaos. Think Da Vinci, Musk. Crazy now. Genius forever. Your mind's a cosmic DJ, spinning reality tracks. Curiosity rewires your brain. Keeps you young. Makes you a polymath. Science, neuroplasticity, telomeres, they prove it. Intuition feels it. Ignore this. You're a dim bulb, drained by fear and routine. Embrace it. You're a goddamn force, weaving life chaos into brilliance. So grab the mic, spin your throat, and change the universe.